I just made Korean stew, or Soondubu Jjigae. I probably pronounced that wrong, but I might have gone a little overboard with the spice, so I'm about to dig in and find out. Hello and welcome to Deliciously Awkward. If this is your first time visiting, my name is AJ, and this is just my little corner of the internet where I cook food, taste food, talk about food, and generally try to show that it's okay to be a little weird and different. So I invite you to join my awkward community and hit the subscribe button. Feel free to leave a comment. I will say that I do read and reply to every single comment I get, which isn't that hard considering I only get 2 or 3 comments per video. That said, one of you did comment that you want to see me make Korean stew, also known as Soondubu Jjigae, and I probably pronounced that completely wrong. But anyway, it's a great dish that I've had at restaurants, very spicy, lots of flavor, not something I would ever try to make on my own, but I'm gonna attempt it today. And I will say that I believe the comment asked for seafood stew. I'm not a big fish or seafood person, like I'll eat it, but not entirely comfortable cooking it. So I'm gonna substitute with chicken for today. So Korean stew, or Soondubu Jjigae. I know I said it awkward, and now let's go make it awkward. So we start the recipe by cutting up some onions and scallions, leaving the top green parts aside. Then cut up some garlic, zucchini, and mushrooms. Now I'm cutting up my chicken, which I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Make sure to check out my video where I grill chicken and profess my love for the chicken thigh. So we start building the soup by heating up some vegetable oil and sesame oil. Then we cook down the onions and white parts of the scallions. Then we're going to throw in the chicken, stir that around to get that cooking. Then we're going to throw in the chopped up garlic, as well as gochugaru, Korean chili pepper flakes. This is what gives it the heat. Follow this up with some soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and sugar. Give a good stir, and then we're going to add some chicken broth. The recipe I followed called for unsalted chicken broth, but I would recommend using salted chicken broth. Once that mixture starts boiling, add the zucchini and mushrooms and soft tofu. After it boils for a few minutes, turn off the heat and then crack in a couple eggs. All right, so I'm about to take my first bite. Feeling the heat. Not too bad, but the more now I'm feeling it. It's good, just needs a little salt. And I forgot garnish with the green part of the scallion. Yeah, that's pretty good. I know I didn't use all the ingredients, like I used chicken broth instead of anchovy broth, which apparently is a thing. Yeah, definitely not as good as how a restaurant would make it, but not bad by any means. So now I have that egg that I cracked. I thought it would, can't see it. Thought it would have cooked more. It looks a little raw, but let's break it open. There you can see that egg yolk. Yeah, the egg just makes it perfect. That balances out the heat, get the richness of the yolk. Yeah, pretty good. Maybe next time I would do fish or seafood and try to punch up the flavor a little bit, but you know, still pretty good. Look forward to finishing this bowl. As I said before, welcome to the community. Feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there are other things you want me to try making. Let me know what you think of my latest haircut, because I'm not a fan. So remember to embrace the awkward, and I will see you next time.